Hi, this is Clint Winters of Farm Origins, and today I'm going to tell you how to use Phyto Test 80. Here's the great thing about testosterone. It's ultra powerful, but until now, you've always had to take it synthetically with some sort of painful shot or patch that's rough to wear. This is by far the easiest way to ingest testosterone directly into your bloodstream via your mucous membranes. So Phyto Test 80 is a sublingual, which means you essentially look at the recommended dosage directly on the label and put that amount directly underneath your tongue. We are going to hold it for upwards of a minute. Now the great part is with this new formula, there is no more ethyl burn. So it's very comfortable. You're gonna love to have this in your mouth for that full minute. After a minute, you can just go ahead and swallow what doesn't absorb, and that ensures that the optimal amount of testosterone will flow directly through your mucous membranes and directly into your bloodstream. So you will have free testosterone flowing into your bloodstream within 15 minutes. That's exactly how this was designed. It's super simple. For me, I take mine when I wake up. It's what I do, but you can take it anytime throughout the day. The only thing I would say is that for a lot of men, when you have 80 nanograms of testosterone hitting your free bloodstream, sometimes it gives you an energy bump. So if you feel like it does give you that bump, just be careful about taking it at night, because obviously you don't want to get full of energy before you're trying to go to sleep. So that's why I always take mine in the morning. Only take seconds a day. It's painless, it tastes good. This is the easiest way or easiest use Phyto Test we've ever released. I think you're gonna love it. Thank you and have a nice day.